Greetings, Morrowind world. My Morrowind here, with a new mod in a new adventure. Overhauling the Grazelands, which includes new style of trees, inspired by the baobab of Africa, as well as palm trees, which are commonly found in various parts of the equatorial world. Adesha Ahanidiran. Okay, let me see here. Let me change my sword here around. Let's go full lightsaber mode. Okay. It's been a while since I've played. So in the world of Morrowind, actually let me go invisible so I can film and not be attacked, showcasing the wonderful new landscapes. We also have this species of, actually no, I think this was already, never mind, that's a Morrowind tree I think already. But this particular mod I'm showcasing, which overhauls the Grazelands, also includes this really cool tree protruding out of this like earthen mound in the middle of the Grazelands, about right here. I'm gonna walk over to Voss. There's a lovely little Nix hound. See if I can get a better viewpoint. Now the baobab tree is, well, I don't actually know that much about it. I do know that it provides a fruit that's considered maybe sacred. Something along those lines. Very nutritious, probably one of the most nutritious fruits in the world, compared to any other. So I like the way they look. If I may quote Dark Elf Guy, they add a whole lot of new verticality to the world. But I also like the other trees that have been added. I think some of these trees here are an addition, and they're very thick. Also these cacti. As you can see, this cacti that I'm approaching here. Sort of like cacti trees. Now this little mound here is actually part of a different mod, which oh crap. A little delayed reaction here. This little area of farmland. Oh, I heard a sword sheath. Someone attacking me? Who? And why? I don't know. I heard a sword sheath. I don't see anybody attacking me. Anyway, I'm not gonna wait around for them. I'm just gonna run away. I'm gonna walk over to the shoreline. Oh crap. So the Kashuti and Alits are apparently cousins. Little Elder Scrolls fun fact. as you can see, the trees become a lot more dense, which is nice. And along the shorelines, the palm trees like really bring a whole nother. The whole thing feels like a whole new ecosystem. I mean, it's all very, very new and lush. And I'd say I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Now, also, I noticed that there are baobab trees that appear on other parts of different land masses, that were previously using that reference, that mesh and texture reference. It also uses it on the mainland also, Tamriel rebuilt. So you will see palm trees. It doesn't seem to just affect Vardenfell, which is very nice. Nice little bonus. Also highly recommended are the 2K texture pack for the landmass retexture, or I'm sorry, the landscape retexture. And the sand looks incredible and highly recommended. So guys, give it a try, give it a playthrough. You won't be disappointed. I apologize. I know my videos look kind of blurry, but I can promise you on my end, in game, things are a lot clearer. But I haven't been able to figure out how to make my recording any more high quality. So for whatever reason, it comes in poorly. But all right, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully you enjoyed. And oh gosh. Raw! Hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Hey, cool, coconuts.